Hi guys, welcome to Informed Shopper. Today I have the Cool Moisture Tower Humidifier by Honeywell. Let's check it out. Alright, the shopper's guide says that the runtime is up to 24 hours. It's for a large room. The capacity is 1.7 gallons and the moisture type is filtered invisible moisture. It has a unique top fill tank design and it's easy to fill two ways. You can use a kitchen sink that has a tall faucet, or you can pour water into it. This is the tall humidifier out of the box. It has a nice design. It's approximately 23 inches tall. Here's the top of the humidifier. You have the fan and all the functions, the button. The top buttons are your moisture controls. Then you have your check filter button, and then next to that is your fan controls. Underneath the fan controls, you have your humidity reach indicator light, your power on off button, and your refill indicator light. Here's a good look at the back of the humidifier and the filter. Here is the easy to use tank. It pulls out easily, grab the handle. And this is the top. It comes off easily. And you just pour cool water up to the max fill line. All right, let's do it. So here's my humidity reader, and right now it's at 27%, but this humidifier can easily get the humidity level to 40 to 50%, depending on the size of the room. Alright guys, so that has been a look at the Honeywell humidifier. I hope you enjoyed that video, and until next time, you guys have been informed.